Alright y'all, so this is the beginning of my video blog. Today is Thursday. I move in tomorrow. Your girl is hot. She is sweaty. I've been up since 7, 8 this morning, starting to move all my stuff into the car. Well, one of the cars. It's not really getting packed up, and I didn't get boxes, so a lot of my stuff is in trash bags. But I mean, it's okay because I'll be able to use those trash bags in my trash can later. But yeah, today's going pretty good. I just had like a little accident. All my one of my detergent liquids, I think, no, it wasn't detergent liquid, it was fabric softener, wasted all over the place. So I kind of put us back from putting my laundry stuff, because all my stuff, all my laundry tools was in that bag. So now they're sitting on the porch airing out. Packing up my mom's car. I probably won't pack up my car until tomorrow, right before we leave. I got to be in the Berg by 10:40, so we'll probably have to leave here around 8. My best friend is coming to help me. He doesn't work on Fridays, so he's coming to help, so he'll probably be there. I packed up all my food. I have not done all my grocery shopping. I just did little canned foods and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the beginning. So thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. I'm so excited to film this for you all. This is a new step, a big path in my life. If you saw my last video, I'll link it up here. You guys already know. Is it up here or is it up here? I don't know. I'm gonna link it for you guys. You guys know how excited I am for this new journey in my life, this new path. Let's go. All right, you all. It is down to the nitty gritty. We were supposed to be out here by 8 o'clock. It is 8:04. I have to be there by 10:40. It takes us about an hour and 30 to get there. I got 3 cars going with me, not including mine. I have my best friend who's going with me, but he doesn't have anything in his car. He volunteered to come help me. Thank you, Cam. You a A1, you G1, day one, all that good stuff. Love you, fam. I got my mom coming with me, always there to support me. Got my dad there, also always there to support me. We packed in the last few things this morning, and we're on our way to Petersburg. So so we're gonna follow behind my dad. Then it's gonna be me in the middle and my mom behind me. Cam said that he might be there, or he might leave before us. I'm probably gonna give him a call in just a few seconds to see where he is, to see if he's left, because he lives up farther than I do. So if he does get there before me, he does. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to probably sit around. I can only sit around and wait for him for so long, because they're running a tight schedule, so that everybody can keep a safe distance and all that good stuff. And my hand is cut, and I don't even know how I cut my hand. Do y'all see this? I don't know how I did that. It doesn't hurt though. I just peeped it. But okay. I'm gonna catch you guys closer to my apartment. This is gonna be great. I went to bed around 7 something. Got up at 6:30. And yeah, so to all the people who have blown up my phone today calling me, I'm sorry. I probably will not get back to you until Sunday, because it's gonna take me a long time. I got a lot of stuff. I thought I didn't have a lot of stuff until I started packing the car the second day, and I was just like, oh. But hey, what do you expect when you're moving into an apartment? I mean, it's not like I'm moving into a dormitory, right? All right. All right, y'all, and we back. So I'm legit right down the street. We're early. We left late, but we still made it early. I'm glad that I chose 8 o'clock because the traffic was hectic. Everything was just a little bit hectic this morning, but it's 9:49. So I'm not supposed to move in until 10:40, and they're still working on the street. They've been working on the street for 2 years. What have y'all been doing all summer? Please tell me. Somebody please tell me what they've been doing all summer. I don't know. Corona, I guess. I don't know. I don't look a little different. But I'm right down the street. My friend, he said that he made it about, I want to say about 20 minutes ago. So he's sitting at the food line. We can't go in because everyone's on a strict schedule, so that they can have social distancing. So yeah, I mean, I've had such a great ride up here. Got a chance to do my devotion, do my reading this morning. Had a little praise and worship service this morning. If you guys follow me on social media, then you guys have seen those posts. I don't know if I'll insert it into this video because of the fact that I don't want to get copyrighted for this video. So, all right, y'all. So we made it. Your girl is officially on the first floor. I'm so happy because I was afraid that I was gonna have to go upstairs. I will give you guys a full tour later. I just wanted y'all to know that I got here. I'm gonna start bringing in stuff, unpacking, and yeah, I'll be back.
Don't pay her no never mind.
Put this back on here.
I gotta put these back.
You know, ninja. That's his name. Pair of scissors in there too.
I don't even know where to start. Like,
Just over scripture, we can start right here in the bathroom after we clean.
because I definitely want to put this rug down.
Well, you don't want to play nice because we're gonna be walking. It's a new rug. We're gonna be walking
Right.
back and forth.
We're gonna be clean. We're
What you
gonna
want to
start
do is get your bed and then get rid of all this stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray the bed down.
All right.
So
So
just move it to the
Okay.
floor.
Let me tell you what could also happen. If we clean and disinfect this bathroom, all your bathroom stuff and any other stuff can go in here, so that we can put it away out here, spray the bed down and stuff. But
that's true.
just,
You got bathroom stuff.
so as soon as we can, we're gonna find something. What is this? Martin Luther.
I stocked up before I left campus last semester because I was like, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I'm gonna
This
get
place
sick.
is gonna be looking really great by the time things are.
I saw the toilet bowl cleaner thingy. It's like Clorox.
I'm gonna get us a chisel.
Is it this?
Chisel these corners.
Yeah, that. Yeah. I saw this in the toilet. Oh, and it smells.
You're not recording.
I ain't never. Where your
Oh,
gloves?
I'm
you
afraid
got-
to open it too.
Where your gloves at? And the powder?
The camera won't deal with it if it is.
Who made the mask for you?
My mom actually got it from one of her coworkers that were making it.
Cause I made this. That's good. Go put it around. That's why I got a phone. I just go around the room. You got gloves on. You got gloves on with the back.
Yeah, get in there. Yeah, get in there.
Who's that?
I can. There you go. It's supposed to be in the toilet, they not on the freaking thing. There you go. Get in there. Get in there. Get all in there. You gotta get under there.
I did get up on
You
it.
didn't. No, you get under there where the crease is.
It did get up.
We're gonna have to buy a new one.
Ew, you're touching it with it.
Yes. Yeah, like you won't touch it now.
Well, to open it again.
That's why you took those. Or you wiped it with some water.
Should I pour some in the tub too?
Is it made for tub? So toilet bowl cleaner. Toilet bowl cleaner. You just answered it first. Where's the mirror come from?
Huh?
I'm wearing the mirror being me.
Yeah. I put it in.
Oh, the mirror?
Oh, mirror.
This is yours.
I moved it out of the car.
Oh, okay. Oh, but also, somebody left they want something.
So I can chisel that out right there. I can't stay like that.
Ooh.
Just fold it out. It's all in the inside. Mama, this one.
All the creases, all the corners.
I'm about to call.
Yep.
Might throw you a piece of coffee in this closet, dude.
Honestly.
That ain't nice. But I feel nice long piece of coffee. And wherever you walk your feet, never touch the floor.
Exactly. To start tiptoeing.
But it is a
Start
blessing.
next one.
The dorm that she lived in is really, really nice dorm, but it was so little and it was up on top of it.
Alright y'all, so as you can see, I have my work cut out for me. At least I got my TV set up. My Alexa won't connect. I'm uber upset, but I have to wait for my Wi-Fi connection. Well, I have Wi-Fi, but I don't have my private Wi-Fi yet. Got my direct TV set up, so of course I'm watching movies already. My best friend went home. My dad went home. My mom is staying here to help me clean up over the night and really set up my room. I gotta set up my new YouTube space, so nothing's looking pretty yet, but it's not gonna happen without some hard work and dedication. So stay tuned. I'm about to go eat my Chipotle. That's what I really been waiting for, is my Chipotle. Alright y'all, so this is gonna have to be the end of day one vlog. I got a lot going on still. As y'all can see, we had to go get something to eat on that one. It's raining and I'm hungry. I've been trying to pack my clothes into my drawers, and I'm gonna have to put some things in my closet, and it's a lot going on, so keep it real with your girl. Logging off. Don't forget to like and subscribe and like, as long as you type that notification button. Until next time, we're gonna keep it real with this video move-in vlog day one. I'll see you guys back on day two.
Perfect.